So third step of the finding the empirical formula is to find the mole ratio. Okay, and for mole ratio of each element. Okay, and in this one question we are having three elements: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So first of all, we guys will find the percentage of carbon. Oh, sorry, mole ratio of carbon. For finding the mole ratio, we guys are having formula, that is percentage will be divided by the atomic mass of an element. So the percentage of carbon that we guys got was 59.8%, and the atomic mass of carbon was 12. So when we guys will calculate this, so the answer would be 4.98. It would be the mole ratio of carbon. Then move towards the hydrogen mole ratio. The same formula we guys will implement over here, and the percentage that we guys are having of hydrogen is 13.3, and the atomic mass of the atomic mass of the hydrogen is 1. So we guys will get the same value. So oxygen, the same formula we guys will put it over here, and the percentage of the oxygen was 26.4, and the atomic mass of the oxygen is 16. When we guys will divide these both values, we got 1.65. Up, let's move towards the fourth and the last part, that is finding the atomic ratio of each element. For finding the atomic ratio, we guys are having formula that the least mole ratio that we got will be divided by the actual mole ratio of that element. The least mole ratio will be divided by the actual mole ratio of that element. So if we guys will find the mole ratio of carbon, atomic ratio of the carbon. So the mole ratio of carbon we guys got was 4.9. The least mole ratio that we got over here was of oxygen. So the oxygen mole ratio will be divided by all the mole ratios. So that in this case we guys got the actual atomic ratio. So the mole ratio of the carbon is 4.98, and it will be divided by 1.65. So we got 3.018, and when we guys will round off this one value, so as we are having 0 after point, so we guys will put the same value as 3. So then hydrogen, 13.3 divided by 1.65, and we got 8.06 answer. And when we guys will round off this one, so we guys will got 8. And of oxygen, the same will be 1.65 will be divided by 1.65, it would be 1. So the empirical formula of this compound that we guys got is, the atomic ratio of the carbon is 3, so we will put 3 over here, and that atomic ratio of hydrogen is 8, so we guys will put 8 over here, and oxygen is 1, so we guys will not put any number with oxygen, and it is the empirical formula of the compound.